So once somebody's earned a credential, that's not the end of the road for them. That usually kicks off a life cycle.
So every year, every 3 years, every 5 years, users have to renew, have to take additional classes, have to take training, make a payment, whatever it happens to be.
So the cool thing about our system is it knows when somebody took a test, so we can build into it the logic that says, oh, you took your test on this date, it's good for 3 years, and it can handle all of that life cycle management.
We have the technical capability and the willingness to make sure that we meet you where you're at.
That we can notify people when their life cycle is coming up. We can ingest CEUs for approval to make sure that they've met their requirements. And we can even administer retests for individuals who have to retest a certain number of times in order to maintain the credential that they've earned.
We'll work with you to figure out what your needs are, and we'll craft a custom solution to meet those needs.